देवी और सज्जनों.
Hi guys, this is Malay. This is episode 11 of the Reverse Sweep podcast. Thank you for watching. We have Piyush with us once again with the same background, Darshil and Pranav. And what we're going to do today is we're going to discuss India's emphatic win in the series and making the World Test Championship final, which, as per our coach and manager, coach and captain, was a distraction. So we'll discuss that also. And yeah, bas we'll discuss Baki teams ke positives and what they got out of it, what were the biggest negatives that they got, and going forward what else will happen. And IPL ka schedule bhi aa gaya, so we'll just touch up upon that. Right, so we'll start with Piyush. First of all, let's go to India. What is the biggest positive for India, and if you were to list down 2 3?
The biggest positive is obviously this man in the background, रोहित शर्मा. मतलब जैसे कि सब बोल रहे थे और सबसे जैसे कि सब बैट्समैन स्ट्रगल किए ये टफ विकेट्स में, पर रोहित शर्मा और ऋषभ पंत मतलब दो बिगेस्ट पॉजिटिव अगर देखा जाए तो ये दोनों रहेंगे, क्योंकि पंत के ऊपर बहुत सारा वो हुआ था, क्वेश्चन उठे थे कैसे प्रेशर में खेलेगा और क्या खेलेगा, पर जो उसने लास्ट मैच में सेंचुरी बनाई, दैट टर्न्ड आउट टू द मैच विनिंग नॉक. और वही पूरे सीरीज में रोहित शर्मा का जो 161 और ऋषभ पंत का 101, आई थिंक ये दोनों प्लेयर आर द बिगेस्ट पॉजिटिव्स टू लुक आउट फॉर द अपकमिंग ईयर एंड फॉर द वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप फाइनल. बिकॉज इंडिया का बॉलिंग तो हमेशा से अच्छा ही रहा है, बस ये है कि बैटिंग में मतलब लास्ट 2-3 ईयर में बॉलिंग का इतना वो नहीं है, तो वो कोई पॉजिटिव नहीं है, वो तो नॉर्मल एक्सपेक्टेड था कि हमारा बॉलिंग अच्छा करेगा. पर मेन जो टॉकिंग पॉइंट था वो था बैटिंग का, और वो ऋषभ पंत और रोहित शर्मा ने बहुत अच्छा दिखाया. और एक और जो पॉजिटिव निकल के आ रहा है वो वॉशिंगटन सुंदर की बैटिंग को लेके. मतलब व्हेन जडेजा, अभी तो वॉशिंगटन इज लाइक 21 आई गेस और 20.
Yeah,
तो
very young, very young.
हाँ, और जैसे कि रवि शास्त्री ने बोला कि I will talk to the Tamil Nadu management as well if needed, and we want him to play for his state team at number 4 as a pure batsman. ऐसा मतलब प्लान है. तो मतलब फॉर द फ्यूचर अपनी बेंच स्ट्रेंथ बहुत पॉजिटिव है, बहुत स्ट्रांग लग रही है. मतलब बेंच स्ट्रेंथ अभी अपने पास जडेजा भी नहीं था, अपने जडेजा नहीं था, और जडेजा का डायरेक्ट रिप्लेसमेंट तो मिल नहीं सकता, पर वॉशिंगटन सुंदर बहुत अच्छा वो रोल निभा सकता है व्हेन जडेजा इज नॉट देयर. सो टू ग्रूम योर यंगस्टर्स इज वन ऑफ द की फैक्टर ऑफ हाउ वी आर शेपिंग आवर फ्यूचर. बिकॉज विराट ऑल्सो टोल्ड कि अभी इंडिया का बेंच स्ट्रेंथ हम लोग ऐसा रिवॉल्व कर रहे हैं कि जैसा लास्ट ट्रांजिशन में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, इस ट्रांजिशन में व्हेन द सीनियर प्लेयर रिटायर्स, तो वो ट्रांजिशन बहुत स्मूथ हो, क्योंकि वो ही अभी कर रहे हैं. जैसे कि अपने पास धोनी का कोई एज अ सच रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं था और ट्रांजिशन नहीं था, पर अब उन लोग ऐसा ग्रूमिंग कर रहे हैं कि वो बाद में सेम मिस्टेक जो इंडिया टीम ने पहले किए वो अभी ना हो. तो मतलब लास्ट 2 सीरीज से ये तो बहुत पॉजिटिव है कि अपना बेंच स्ट्रेंथ बहुत स्ट्रांग लग रहा है. और अब टीम इज नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन अ सिंगल प्लेयर. लाइक अगर विराट फेल, पुजारा फेल, तो टीम हार जाएगी. मतलब हर प्लेयर का एक रोल है और हर प्लेयर एक मैच विनिंग इनिंग्स कहीं से भी खेल सकता है. तो मतलब मेरे ख्याल से तो वही एक बहुत बड़ा पॉजिटिव है, और वो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि वी आर नॉट अ वन मैन टीम. जो पहले बहुत सारे होते थे कि अगर ये अपना बैट्समैन फेल हुआ तो अपना मैच गया, जैसे सचिन के टाइम में सचिन, द्रविड़, अगर लोग फेल हो गए 2 या 3 बैट्समैन तो अपना मैच गया. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है अब हर प्लेयर नीचे डाउन तक मतलब अपने
वो तो
वॉशिंगटन, पंत.
एनीवे धोनी का
अब तो
बिल्ड किया
ऐसा
हुआ
है कि
कल्चर
अब
है.
बेसिकली कोई एक प्लेयर सेंचुरी मारता है तो हारता है. वो ट्रेंड वापस आ गया है.
नहीं मतलब ये तो एनीवे धोनी का बिल्ड किया हुआ कल्चर है कि अब वी आर नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनी वन पर्सन. बट आई गेस आई एग्री, मतलब सही बात है. वी आर बिल्डिंग अ ग्रेट बेंच स्ट्रेंथ एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट मेन चीज़ है कि ट्रॉफी भी आनी चाहिए. अभी तक नहीं आई है. अभी सिर्फ पेटीएम सीरीज ही आई है, सिर्फ पेटीएम, जिलेट, डिटॉल, ये सारी आ गई हैं.
बॉर्डर का
बट
बस कर.
हाँ नहीं, वो डिटॉल ही था ना, वो जिलेट या डिटॉल था. तो ये सारी आ गई हैं. बट व्हाट वी नीड इज अ बिग चैंपियनशिप. एंड वन थिंग दैट आई वांटेड टू मेंशन वाज अश्विन आफ्टर द विन categorically said कि the WTC is almost like a World
वर्ल्ड
Cup
कप.
for people like him and Pujara and Rahane who
ईशांत
only
शर्मा
play
also.
who only play test cricket अभी. तो आई थिंक फॉर द टीम तो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. कैप्टन जो भी बोले, टीम के लिए तो इट वाज क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट that they wanted to.
कैप्टन जो बोल रहा था वो बोल रहा
यार
था
सो
कि
दिस टीम एक्चुअली, नहीं यार
हाँ.
पीयूष, इस टीम में मतलब बहुत सारे टेस्ट स्पेशलिस्ट भी तो है ना. मतलब इफ यू हैव लाइक प्लेयर्स लाइक ईशांत, पुजारा,
Main players सारे
Ashwin, yeah, all of them are like test specialists. They just play the test matches. Even
and Pant भी
Rahane
देखो तो
for some odd reason is a test specialist.
Pant is
So
not in the limited over setup
Yeah.
as such. मतलब अभी तक नहीं है. Now obviously he will come in because of his performances now, but even Rishabh Pant has not. I mean, he has been usurped by other people in the test setup,
Correct.
in the limited over setup also.
बट आई स्टिल
तो,
फील कि
हाँ.
ऐसे भी ऋषभ पंत इज मोर सूटेड अभी, मतलब जो लिमिटेड ओवर में उसका इतना जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि कीपिंग में अपने पास केएल राहुल डिसेंट कर लेता है और अपने पास बैटिंग स्ट्रेंथ बहुत ज्यादा है, मतलब नीचे हार्दिक है और फिर वो सब भी है, तो अपने को लिमिटेड ओवर
Sai
में इतना
है, कृणाल है, तीनों नाम बोल दे.
नहीं नहीं
Why Hardik is not in test? Please don't bring Hardik in just for the sake
नहीं
of
नहीं
it.
वनडे
नहीं,
वनडे
he
No,
was
no.
talking about limited
की बात
overs.
कर रहा
अरे
है.
मैं
He's talking
लिमिटेड
about
ओवर्स का
limited
मतलब
overs.
जो बोल रहा हूँ कि एक वो जो हिटर चाहिए अपने को, वो हिटर के रोल्स है और कीपिंग के लिए केएल राहुल कर लेता है, तो
नहीं,
मतलब
but,
पंत
but
अपने को
ऋषभ,
एक
हाँ, sorry,
एक
finish it,
कीपर
हाँ.
एक कीपर ऐसा रखना चाहिए जो खाली टेस्ट मैच में मतलब फोकस कर सके और इतना ज्यादा प्रेशर ना डाले, मतलब वो भी अभी यंग है, मतलब इतना ज्यादा वो नहीं है, और अगर अपन लोग तीनों में उसको मेन कीपर एज अभी के लिए स्टार्टिंग में ही देखे कि तीनों में वो कीपिंग कर ले तीनों फॉर्मेट में, तो उसका एक साइड फिर डाउन साइड आ जाएगा, मतलब अगर वो वैसा करेंगे, तो ऐसा मेरा सोचना है, क्योंकि अपने पास इतना जरूरत नहीं है उसको रश करने की लिमिटेड ओवर्स में, बिकॉज वी हैव बीन डूइंग वेल लिमिटेड ओवर्स में, और एज सच उसका कुछ नीड नहीं है जितना अभी टेस्ट क्रिकेट में है, मतलब। और वन ऑफ द मेजर, मैं एक चीज बोलना भूल गया कि वन ऑफ
Kohli
द
bhi itna
थिंग,
like
या गो अहेड।
Kohli also is very impulsive in his selection. अभी राहुल फिलहाल राहुल को हमने एज अ मिडिल ऑर्डर कभी सोचा नहीं था एज अ कीपर, बट
it's a,
चल गया
हाँ,
तो कोहली
बिल्कुल.
उसको प्रेफर कर रहे हैं अभी, because
Yeah,
series अगर fail हुआ तो
अपना
फिर,
management,
again there could be change.
yeah, अपना management works on out of sight, out of mind. So right now KL Rahul, Shreyas Iyer, all of these people are out of sight. So it'll be interesting to see how they come
अपना
back.
मैनेजमेंट एंड कैप्टन वर्क्स ऑन इंशाल्लाह अप्रोच. अरे चल गया तो जीनियस स्ट्रोक, नहीं चला तो नया प्लेयर.
But coming back to the point that Piyush was making,
They're very impulsive.
Pant will be very disappointed if he's not an all-format superstar for India in 1 year's time, to be honest. Because अभी उसने प्रूव कर दिया है कि he can do it outside India. वो तो उसने काफी पहले ही कर दिया था. Now he has proven कि he can do it in really tough conditions against really high pressure situations. Maybe he can win us games on his own. तो अभी I think he'll be very disappointed if he's still told कि भाई अभी आप टेस्ट क्रिकेट ही खेलो. Because anyway we don't play that much test cricket, and coming year में T20 World Cup है, and इसी year में T20 World Cup, so I think he'll be very disappointed if the management sees him like Piyush said they might. Anyway, Pranav, let's move on to some negatives. Positive तो इंडिया के बहुत सारे हैं, अक्षर पटेल, Washington Sundar, Rishabh Pant, Rohit Sharma, but let's move on to some negatives because it's often tough to find them in a 3-1 win. So what do you think would be a biggest flaw or negative for India?
विराट कोहली।
Virat Kohli of course, but
Yeah.
the negatives actually is that India's batting is a bit of a worry in test
Yeah.
match cricket. I mean,
Yeah,
that's the reason why we not won in England, where ball is moving a bit, and New Zealand also we saw we got hammered, and South Africa also they made some difficult pitches, and that's where we had a problem. See, we don't have a settled opening pair yet. Gill started very well and had last 3 tests he has not done anything. Then Pujara, although he's doing a good job of holding one end up and tiring the bowlers, he's also got into a space where he's getting some starts and not converting. Virat Kohli looks out of form, and Ajinkya Rahane, well, he has one innings per series, which makes everyone forget that he's been actually quite poor for a long time.
No, he's been average. Yeah.
Below
Yeah, he has
average,
been
not
average.
even average, below average.
Yeah, I mean, he wouldn't be in the team if he
Yeah.
weren't the vice captain. I mean, if there was a better
Exactly.
next leadership group, I think Rahane should have been dropped.
That's the main concern for me, is that in Indian conditions, even if our batting fails, like it has done in this series sometimes, 40 for 3 and 140 for 6, we still have a good enough tail. Nowadays, nobody has a proper tail, but our lower order, they are all good enough players. Ashwin is good enough. Sundar is not a lower order player. I think we know that. Playing him at 8 is quite ridiculous. And Akshar also has played first class cricket, and he has good enough experience to bat on these pitches. He made a 40, and he can even bat well in the future if he plays. So we cannot keep depending on the lower order to bail us out, because maybe sometime in the future home series also this might cost us. So batting has to be addressed. I mean, how long a rope should Ajinkya Rahane get now, given that this is a constant thing with him? And I hope, and Pujara also needs to pull up his socks because I hope he doesn't get to that mode of Rahane where just averaging 38 or 39 for a period of time, which is only one or two good scores. So Pujara, Rahane, and of course Virat Kohli, these guys need to start batting well because in England, if we want to win 3, 4, and 5, very crucial. Of course, opening also now. I don't know whether Gill will open in England or will they again go to Mayank Agarwal. I'm not sure, but except Rohit, currently the batting from number 2 to number 5 is very uncertain. And in England in August, which is like last month of summer and going into September, we are going to see conditions that will help spin bowling. And the news ball we know swings a lot and stays hard for a longer time than the Kookaburra. So we have to really address the batting issue.
But-
because if the batting gets thick, we will certainly win the series in England. I'm quite confident. Batting has to click.
Yeah, Piyush,
I
you were
think-
saying something.
हाँ वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप इज इन जून ना मतलब उसके पहले तो अपना कोई
जून
भी नहीं है
नहीं अब आईपीएल है आईपीएल
हाँ।
के बाद सीधे वहीं जाएंगे आई गेस
हाँ और मेरे को लगता है कि जैसे बोल रहे हैं मेरे को नहीं लगता कुछ ज्यादा चेंजेस होंगे बस अगर जडेजा फिट है और
कुछ
कैसा आई गेस दे विल स्टिक विद गिल बिकॉज पूरा 4 मैच खेला है और अग्रवाल लास्ट खाया था
what about हार्दिक बट हार्दिक
हार्दिक नहीं हार्दिक विल बी इन स्क्वाड बट ही वोंट प्ले माइट इफ ही इज बॉलिंग आई एम नॉट श्योर उसका हार्दिक को लेके अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं तो अभी जो बोल रहा हूँ कि गिल और रोहित ही करेंगे क्योंकि पूरा मैनेजमेंट उनके साथ पूरा सीरीज में स्टिक किया और लास्ट 6 मैचेस से लास्ट 2 ऑस्ट्रेलिया के मैचेस और लास्ट 4 टेस्ट मैचेस इधर तो क्योंकि गिल ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सीमिंग कंडीशन में अच्छा खेला था और अब मयंक अग्रवाल उतने मतलब वो टच में भी मतलब है नहीं तो वन ऑफ मैच के लिए जो
Technical issues.
हाँ
And
वन
Shaw
ऑफ
तो मतलब टीम बस के पीछे भागते
शॉ
हुए
मेड अ
आना।
डबल 100 दो अभी
Yeah, he should come running after the team bus. That's his play.
get little fitter
हाँ,
also हाँ
बस एक जो
We should Rohit
जडे-
Gill को long rope अभी दे दिया है चल तो उनको थोड़ा long rope दे दो so that घड़ी-घड़ी ये chop and change ना करे because this is the main problem in England if you want to win your opening pair has to at least bat 15-20 overs consistently so that at least the new ball is seen out and then number 3 के बाद
Yeah.
number 4 and all can face on it that is the main thing so at least इनको chance दो अभी 5 tests में ज़्यादा कुछ change मत करो as Steve said.
Yeah, correct. For me, I think personally, biggest disappointment was Shubman Gill. Honestly, I sort of felt that this could be a series where he would break through and really, matlab, cement his place. He did great in Australia, but I felt this could have been a series because he looked in great touch a couple of times, but he didn't make. And anyway, I mean, the
He
kind of
needs the
series.
hundreds. Basically, he needs
हाँ,
hundreds
correct.
for the bad times. He
Correct,
doesn't have hundreds for the bad
Correct.
times.
The way this series was going, Joe Root had just one big innings and he's ended up the highest scorer of the series. So you didn't really need a lot of. You couldn't really because the pitches were like that कि बहुत ज़्यादा run तो नहीं बनने थे. But I was expecting at least one big innings from Gill, maybe 100 or something. Anyway, Darshil, what do you think? Let's continue with negatives for India. What do you think was the biggest negative apart from Pujara's horrible? I think Darshil का video stuck हो गया है. Is it for me or is it for everyone?
नहीं सबके लिए वो पुजारा का नाम सुनते ही शौक में चले गया वो बेचारा हर पॉडकास्ट हर दिन पुजारा का 100 के लिए प्रे कर रहा था तो
It's
तो-
okay. चल हाँ.
मैं एक चीज पॉजिटिव में बोलना भूल गया था वो है
हाँ.
पंत की कीपिंग मतलब
Oh yeah,
Sustain-
correct. We didn't discuss that. Yeah.
हाँ मतलब I was stunned like I was the one who was always in for a person who can keep rather than batting because in test matches in this condition turning wickets or whatever you need a keeper who is quick fast.
We made him lose weight. Only if you have to lose weight, you have to get better attitude. So I think he has done a good job of that.
हाँ,
Yeah,
तो
amazing. I mean, really impressive. Rishabh Pant ने जो किया was amazing, and even Ashwin mentioned it post match में. Ashwin तो is almost like a commentator only now, so he mentioned it काफी eloquently कि he's done so well, and मतलब एक जो I think एक जो Ollie Pope का stumping था last inning में
अरे एक नंबर
was amazing. मतलब मजा आ गया. I didn't expect Rishabh to be that good. Darshil is back.
Actually.
Yeah, Darshil is back.
Sorry,
He's
some network issues.
recovered from the shock of Pujara's
I
performance.
had network issues this season. I had some network issues just this moment. But that
So
does not.
what our question to you was apart from Pujara's
फिर गया वो पुजारा का नाम लिया
Kan-
फिर गया आज नहीं हो पाएगा पुजारा डिस्कस
I'm
Yeah.
saying in terms of negatives, I think what Malay mentioned. For me personally, I mean Rahane's form is a concern. I mean number 5 spot is something where we need to lock down. Also the fact that I'm
The
a bit
voice is
concerned that
breaking
Shami
up.
hasn't
The voice is breaking slightly. Thoda.
Malay, तेरा भी
played in a while. I mean, he's injured. Yeah, is it better now?
It's
So
better
I'm saying,
now.
yeah, it's fine.
yeah, yeah. So what I'm saying is that I think for me the major concerns are that Shami hasn't played in a while, and India's best man. If you see the best bowling lineup, I think Shami features in, and the tendency of the team management is kind of put players directly back on the pitch even before they're like fully fit or have had match practice. So I'm worried that Shami might slot in for a Siraj while Siraj is doing better, and I think that's a concern that I have. Same with Jadeja. I mean, Jadeja definitely walks into the team when he's fully fit, but I think he requires match practice. And this is WTC is a one-off match. It's not a series. It's not
Correct.
like a best of
Knockout
3 or
match
a
है
best
तो
of.
हमारा थोड़ा
Yeah,
और WTC की
हमारा
बात कर रहे तो मतलब मेरे ख्याल से कंडीशन भी बहुत मैटर करेगा उस टाइम, मतलब कैसा विकेट है, क्या सीलिंग
yeah
है, और मतलब उससे टीम कॉम्बिनेशन में बहुत ऑल्ट्रेशन हो सकते हैं मतलब।
ICC बनाएगा विकेट दो तो
हाँ
I expect it to be a competitive wicket.
हाँ, और कंपेटिटिव विकेट मतलब फिर
वही
Last
I'm
5 days,
slightly
both were
concerned वही कि हमारे जो
last 5 days.
कुछ 2-3 main players they haven't been match fit, and then it's always a hard call that do you stick with the guy who's performing for you when there's been no pressure, or do you bring back the veteran? Normally I would say bring back the guy who's experienced, but again this is like a high pressure match and they haven't done match practice, so it's just
तो
that's the
मेरे को
worry.
लगता है
I
एक
don't
पोजीशन है
think much changes for the World Test Championship final. We were going in with 2 seamers and perhaps 3 spinners. There we should have ideally we should have Shami, Bumrah, Ishan, and we should have Jadeja as the all-rounder and Ashwin. This would be the best lineup. And
Yeah.
Jadeja is a good enough batsman now, so we can, because you know what will happen. I'm sure, like any Southampton pitch, after having some help for the bowlers, it will start turning on day 4 or day 5, and that's when both these guys in tandem, as we know how dangerous they are, they'll come into play. So we should not do much tinkering. I agree with Darshil that should we play Siraj because he's bowling really well, and you know he seems to be a guy who's not restricted to any particular condition. He bowled well here, bowled well in Australia, and in England being the best conditions for bowlers. I would not mind him playing either. I just wonder whether the team will still look for Shami because of experience and because you know.
Yeah, I mean Shami definitely
Shami
walks in, but just like match, I like
What he said is
match
Shami
fitness.
will
I mean for
directly walk in after a 14 game IPL. वहाँ पे वो पिटेगा ही obviously because India में T20 cricket obviously. So he's not going into the big game with a lot of red ball practice is what I think Darshil is pointing at.
Exactly, that's an issue.
बट मेरे ख्याल
I would
से
not mind him.
And again, like all of the WTC finals and all are all subject to availability of players' fitness on after the IPL. So I mean that's another call.
Obviously, I
But-
don't think players who play both formats they'll be able to put WTC over IPL because I think IPL important रहेगा. Especially I think Mumbai Indians के लिए तो I think Rohit once when he was asked वो cricket World Cup के time पे कि बुमराह को rest दे सकते हैं and all that he just refused straight away. So I don't think there are going to be people who are going to be rested or something like that for IPL. Full throttle they'll play all the 14 games and उसके बाद we'll see कि क्या होता है.
नहीं, और आईपीएल का शेड्यूल भी वैसे ही बना है टू नोटिस कि बीसीसीआई हैड अ प्लान फॉर अ 1 वीक एक्सटेंडेड आईपीएल, बट डब्ल्यूटीसी पहुंचने के बाद कि प्लेयर्स गेट द दे वांट टू रीच यूके अर्लियर, सो उन लोग ने डबल हेडर्स का ज्यादा नंबर्स बढ़ा दिया. मतलब लास्ट आईपीएल से आप कंपेयर करेंगे तो एक वीक
11
कम
डबल
है.
हेडर है.
हाँ 11 डबल हेडर है. लास्ट टाइम 6 या 7 थे, कुछ ऐसे ही था. मतलब करीबन एक वीक का शेड्यूल उन लोगों ने रिड्यूस कर दिया है.
Because even though एक हफ्ता we are getting more, but we have to also go and quarantine a bit, and we won't get a chance to even play some kind of practice game. That's my real concern only. If we can somehow maybe we should take a second team like before the England series. We are trying to have India versus India A practice games on green pitches so that we can prepare. If something like that we can again do, it will be a good preparation because my concern is our batting being caught off guard against Bolt and Saudi. That's my concern. If we are getting
I
first
think I think we are well prepared for Bolt and Jamieson. I mean Rohit and Kohli will be facing them in nets every day, so I think that's a good plan.
और
these guys
वैसा
are these
और
guys
इंग्लैंड
bring their best. हाँ sorry Piyush.
इंग्लैंड के कोच ने भी बोला आज कि अगर इंग्लैंड के प्लेयर्स नॉकआउट्स में क्वालिफाई करते तो दे विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी दैट they miss out the first test against New Zealand. So,
that makes sense for them ना क्योंकि first test has nothing really to gain, whereas this is world T20 World Cup है, इंडिया में ही है, तो they'll obviously
वही
उसको prefer करेंगे.
Anyway, a lot of rotation work, so they'll manage. They can easily rotate. So it's not a big
हाँ,
deal,
anyway, so
actually.
I think they want their best team for the T20 World Cup. I
और
think
अभी तक
that's-
शेड्यूल नहीं आया, पर मेरे को लगता है कि अपने वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप पहले एक प्रैक्टिस गेम तो शायद तक हो गए दोनों टीम का, इंडिया और न्यूजीलैंड. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है
हो सकता है,
क्योंकि
हो सकता
May
है.
first
Maybe
week
this
got
is-
the best practice. दो टेस्ट खेल रहे हैं.
हाँ, they are playing against England ना before
हाँ,
the
मेरे को लगता है पर इंडिया
WTC.
इतना तो रिस्क नहीं लेगी कि बिना प्रैक्टिस मैच के उन लोग डायरेक्ट जून 18 जून को है शायद तक, तो उसके पहले तो एक महीने का
Depends
टाइम
on how the
रहेगा.
captain feels about the match practice.
ले सकते हैं. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में गए थे तो
मेरे ख्याल से
हाँ,
होगा.
था practice match, but we were not that serious about it. So मतलब it depends, like Darshil said. Chalo, we'll move on to England now. England obviously had a lot of negatives, so we'll first discuss positives for England. So I'll start. I think positive तो सबसे बड़ा था कि they at least won one test match, because I mean not a lot of us gave them a chance कि वो एक भी जीतेंगे. Root I think
Looking at you there.
Yes.
I think
Yeah,
Root
yeah,
did okay.
He was quite
एक
bullish
game में
about it and
Root did okay एक game में जब he got a chance, he got a big double hundred and won them that test match. So I think that was a positive. And one important thing I felt was how James Anderson bowled. Apart from obviously it was tough conditions and England ka team selection never helped them. But I think Anderson in the what was that, second test and first test
First
and
test.
this fourth test, maybe the way he bowled was a big positive. I don't know how much that means in the future because I don't know Anderson kitna aur khelega. So I think those were the two things. I think they didn't have much to gain obviously after.
आई थिंक एक और पॉजिटिव जो ऐड है वो स्टोक्स का, जो स्टोक्स और एंडरसन का स्पेल था वो ओपनिंग सेशन
correct, but वही है कि it didn't lead
Stokes से
anything.
expected है. He always
हाँ.
puts in 200%. तो वो you can
Correct.
expect
हाँ,
And
पर
also-
as
I think for
a
me,
lead pacer.
two big
Hmm.
positives. I personally feel England should has is Dan Lawrence. I think he's highly rated.
हाँ,
Yeah, I was
He has
Hmm.
played well in Sri Lanka and India successively now. Zach Crowley got a
in
good
the
50
middle order.
in the
Very,
third
very
test.
important thing.
True, but
In the middle order
मतलब
batsman,
it was just
he was
but it was
three
just
and he
a
was out of.
They blooded
Couple
some
of
really good
innings.
youngsters. I mean, Nick Pope,
हाँ.
Ollie Pope, Zach Crowley, Dan Lawrence. These guys are going to play for the next 5-10 years for England.
it
So I
felt
think
like
all
a
of them
very
were blooded well.
it felt like a very raw team that had come. मतलब काफी
And Jack Leach for me. I think
Jack
is a
Leach,
big
exactly. That's what I was going to say also. कि Jack Leach was very important. I think काफी interesting selection हुए obviously, but I think the way Jack Leach he cemented his place as England's number one spinner at least, because I don't think anyone comes close.
Even in South Africa, Best was playing ahead of him. So I think that's been proven that Leach is England's best spinner by a distance.
That is true. So now let's move on to negatives. So that is going to be a long list. I'll start with one name and then one thing, and then we'll build on that. So obviously the biggest negative was how terribly clueless England's batting was against spin. I think it just unraveled. They saw some dust coming out from Chennai, and uske baad se they were just कि अब तो नहीं हो पाएगा हमसे. There were some really brain fade shots and some Piyush as always entertaining us. Anyway, so I think we'll start with England's batting. So Piyush, what did you make of their approach, especially once the ball started turning? Because maybe in Motera the first test it was not that good, but apart from that though they had a chance. मतलब it was not कि they were जैसे कि हो रहे थे, they were 70 for 6 and all that. उतना खराब नहीं था. Anyway,
मेरे को तो लगता है पूरा मेंटल ब्लॉक था. मतलब उनका एक वो था कि इंडिया में आए, पिच घूमेगा, पहले दिन से हर बॉल घूमेगी, उसके आधा तो मेंटल ब्लॉक के कारण उन लोग ने पूरे प्रेशर में चोक किया. मतलब स्ट्रेट बॉल्स को कुछ भी मिस शॉट्स मार रहे.
सरप्राइजिंग ये था कि फर्स्ट टेस्ट में ये इशू नहीं था, बिकॉज़ दे वर प्लेइंग वेल. फर्स्ट टेस्ट तो अच्छा ही खेले.
हाँ, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टेस्ट में जो था कि जैसा बोल रहे थे इंडिया की बॉलिंग में भी वो इंटेंसिटी नहीं थी. मतलब जो पहले इनिंग्स में इंडिया ने बॉलिंग किया और पिच मतलब पिच भी नया पिच था, बहुत दिन से मैच नहीं होते, पूरा फ्लैट, मतलब पूरा फ्लैट टाइप का था पहले 2 दिन तो मिनिमम, मतलब वो पिच में कुछ मूवमेंट ही नहीं था, मतलब डेड पिच समझ लो आप। तो उसमें बैटिंग तो काफी इजी थी, अगर उसमें भी नहीं करते तो मतलब और उससे ज्यादा क्या। तो वो अगर पहले मैच में अगर उन लोग टॉस नहीं जीतते और सेकंड इनिंग्स में बैटिंग करते डे 2 या डे 3 में, तब पता चलता कि इंग्लैंड कितनी अच्छी बैटिंग की। पर फर्स्ट 2 दिन तो इंडिया तो बहुत खराब बैटिंग की, पर वो 2 दिन तो पिच पूरी बैटिंग के लिए थी, मतलब तो उसमें मैं इतना जज नहीं करता। पर सेकंड टेस्ट से जब पिच थोड़ी हार्ड हुई बैटिंग के लिए, तो इंग्लैंड, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मेन तो है लैक ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। मतलब अगर आप जो रूट और बेन स्टोक्स को हटा दो उस बैटिंग लाइनअप में, तो इतना कुछ खास एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं है उन प्लेयर्स में, तो मैं इतना ज्यादा ब्लेम नहीं करता उनको। मतलब ठीक है, इंडिया में पहला टूर है और इतना स्ट्रगल तो होगा ही, बिकॉज इंडिया की
what just adding to your point about experience, I think ये tour जो last time when England came in 16-17 in Bangladesh they played on rank turners, then they came to Rajkot and got a really flat deck. So when they were playing on difficult pitches, suddenly they saw a good pitch, so they capitalized on that. And see, Gaul maybe the pitch was turning a lot and they somehow managed to win, and they came in again. The first test was fine. The issue was that in the second test onwards, India's quality of spin actually showed the difference between them and Sri Lanka. And then after that hammering, all the demons were created. This was the last 3 tests were like how South Africa crumbled under pressure. They thought that every ball is going to turn, and we have no chance of surviving. And the only chance, some people thought like Ollie Pope was like a cat on a hot tin. We just thought, "Aake main maru, kuch bhi karu." Maybe this is the only way to survive. They didn't have a clear game plan. I think that is the main issue.
हाँ, गेम प्लान नहीं था उनके। टीम मैनेजमेंट मेरे को लगता है पूरा क्लूलेस दिखे, मतलब पिच रीडिंग उनकी गलत, उनका सिलेक्शंस गलत। जब 2 स्पिनर 3 स्पिनर खेला तब उन लोग ने 4 पैसा।
I think नहीं, ये सारे issues definitely है, but there are 2-3 things which I think are technical issues. Okay, so एक है ना, तो एक क्या होता है, मतलब the quality of spinners you face. So net practice में भी if England team is facing Dom Bess and Jack Leach, I mean no disrespect to them, you are not gonna become better players of spin if Dom Bess is bowling at you. And similar pitches in England, correct? तो वहाँ पे they are taught to sweep their way out of trouble. तो उनको sweeping का एक तो आदत है, they are not used to using their feet for defending. That's another problem. So they hired a spin consultant, but I think it takes time for these things to develop. And secondly, I think Sunil Gavaskar mentioned this point. They do not take an off-stump guard. They don't take the off-stump guard. I mean, when the ball is coming in with Ashwin and Akshar, who are targeting your stumps, you take the off-stump guard and hit outside the line. It takes LBW out of the equation. And Sunil Gavaskar said this on air twice, thrice after the second test match, and still they did not implement it. I mean, it was free advice. Right there.
I think that works more against Ashwin because Ashwin actually turns the ball, so you should take an off-stump guard. For Akshay Patel, it's more difficult because he's bowling straight and getting outside the line and all is a little harder. With Akshay, like I said, better to play a little bit inside the line, and he'll, if one odd ball turns and he gets you bowled or caught, that's great. So for Ashwin, I think that's why they're not really using the crease properly. You can take off stump, you can take middle stump, whatever the guards are there, you can just try and understand how the ball is given. Ashwin pulls over the wicket a lot to the right-handers. So if you, like Darshi said, take an off stump guard, LBW or even bowled is as good as out of the equation because his ball is going to turn past the next stump. For Akshar Patel, the plan should have been to play inside the line. That's the best way to play against a guy who doesn't really turn the ball because they are playing for the turn and he was not really turning it except a few balls which were unplayable. So I think all the data work that England do, this is something that they should have done as well. How to look at the Hawkeye. I mean, that would have been such an easy data to even access and how the release point and how the ball is moving. I mean, I'm not saying they would have won the series or anything, but at least they would have given a
better competition. I think one important thing is Rohit actually showed the entire array of how to play because in Chennai he batted aggressively, got runs and put India ahead. Then towards the last in the last test in Motera, he was batting. He was trusting his defense as well. So I think obviously Rohit is a different class from anyone else playing the test match almost, apart from a couple of batsmen. But still, he showed that it was possible to both attack your way out of, or if you were good enough with your defense and you wanted to trust it, you could do that as well. So I think वही है कि I think in the end the class of England's batsmen, and I think एक mind में बन गया कि हमसे कुछ होगा नहीं, and they just
I also
folded.
think, I also think that Crawley, Sibley, Ollie Pope, these guys are playing in India for the first time, and Rory Burns. So
Yeah.
these guys, maybe we can give them a little bit of a pass, because until you play in Indian conditions for the first time against high quality spin, you don't really know where you stand. So we can say, okay, these guys are new, but I was disappointed that Ben Stokes, with all the reputation coming in, that he has not really improved against spin. He just doesn't have a defensive shot against the spinners. I mean, Ashwin has again got him out 4 times. Akshay got him out. Even Sundar got him out. So for a world-class player, I think he needs to develop a good defensive shot against the spinners. And that if at least if Ben Stokes had also performed, some pressure would have been off Root. Because see, whatever the series happened, Root is easily one of the best players of spin in the world. We know that, and he's very good. And it's not he doesn't have an issue against spin, but constantly only expecting him to bail you out is also a lot of pressure on him. And I think while Ben Stokes is a decent player of spin, I think that when Joss Butler played the first test, he should have played all the tests. A swashbuckling player, someone like him, put a bit of against Ashwin in particular. If he had taken him on, who knows? He might have at least given Ashwin something to think about. So
True.
I think these things we can have to look at when they come again, maybe in the next 3-4 years.
That is true. One big disappointment for me was also Jofra Archer, because he looked. I mean, he didn't play obviously all the games, but whenever he played, also apart from the first test ka initial spell and some spells in their first innings, it looked very pedestrian, to be honest. Matlab, he was bowling mid 130s. Or at best 138, 139. कुछ इतना zip नहीं था. He was not fired up. Was not hitting people on the helmet. So Jofra was a big disappointment for me. I just felt he probably is carrying a niggle or I don't know what, but he felt very labored and didn't feel really ready for the test match. So that is one point that I also felt.
Broad was a negative, I think. He didn't pick up any wickets, nor did he look like he. Yeah, but I think you're right. The thing is, Jofra Archer, if he was not fit, should not have played. They should have rested him for the test if he was not fully fit, because there's no reason for him just to. And I think it should be the last subcontinent trip for Stuart Broad. I mean,
unless he's using an exhibition match, Stuart Broad should not be playing in India.
So I think, okay, Anderson did really well, but he's anyway quite old now. I don't think he'll make another trip to India. And so that's not an issue, even if he had not done that. But Stuart Broad, being 4 years younger, can still play a little longer. But they have to start looking at the youngsters now. I think. I agree with you. Broad should not play again. But I'm saying, theoretically, since he's 34, 35, he still has one more trip in theory in him.
I don't think that's going to happen, though. I think that.
I doubt it.
Yuvraj Singh bowling to Yuvraj Singh in exhibition matches. I think that's when he's coming back.
रायपुर आना चाहिए
Legends series में.
और रायपुर थोड़ा मुलाकात करते हैं.
Anyway, chalo, I think this is complete. We'll spend just another 3-4 minutes talking about another incident that happened today, which is the IPL schedule got released. So the IPL is back, and we're also very excited. हम लोग will try to cover different points,
terms and conditions. RCB fans are ready to get hurt again.
So काफी interesting schedule है, and पीयूष ने अपना background भी change कर लिया है IPL आते ही. काफी interesting schedule है. No one gets to play any games at their home. Delhi,
crowds
Mumbai,
were disappointed. मतलब
first half में. But what happened in PSL, मतलब it was.
और मतलब एक देखे जाए तो ठीक भी है, क्योंकि लोग बोल रहे हैं कि अभी crowd है, पर वो एक bilateral series में और एक 10-8 टीम
बहुत फर्क है.
बड़े सीरीज में पूरा लॉजिस्टिक्स और वो मेंटेन करना बहुत हार्ड है. और अगर उतने बड़े टूर्नामेंट में आप रिस्क लिए तो उसको पोस्टपोन कराने का एक रिस्क बढ़ जाता है. बायलैटरल
मतलब see, we do not have a horrible title song and we have a secure buy bubble. I mean, that's enough.
The other issue is that in the stadium also people were not wearing masks. Even the BCCI officials, Rajiv Shukla, Jay Shah, and I think Lakshmi, whoever was there, they were sitting chipak and not wearing a mask. So I think it's a good idea not to have fans probably for the entirety and keep it in few cities only, so that we can have less traveling and less exposure. And I think it's a brilliant idea that nobody gets a home game, because it is well balanced now.
Yeah,
think
it's
all the
quite well
games, I think
balanced.
it's
It-
the
But
best
Punjab has the advantage of playing majority of their games at Chinnaswamy. They are playing five games at Chinnaswamy. So
but
and
that's not an advantage. मतलब
Gale
advantage
strong.
होता
advantage है.
तो RCB अभी तक कुछ जीत गई होती ना
नहीं
advantage.
पर वही आरसीबी नहीं जीत सकती ना पर
Chinnaswamy
दूसरी
anyway has
Chinnaswamy-
been slightly two-paced in the last few years. Not been the road that we
हाँ.
thought. So,
True. Anyway,
Yeah.
I'll just walk through the schedule also. So what has happened is the tournament starts from in two big centers. I think Mumbai and Ahmedabad, right?
नहीं मुंबई
Mumbai-
आरसीबी इन चेन्नई.
Chennai.
Mumbai and Chennai. Sorry, it starts in Mumbai and Chennai, and then it moves to two different places, and then it moves to finally Bangalore and Kolkata. Beach में it goes to Ahmedabad and one more place I'm forgetting.
Delhi.
Delhi, correct. So
Six
इस तरह
venues.
से 6 venues, all big cities and Ahmedabad. So and then the final is completely at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. All the 4-5 games. Hopefully pitches are better. So yeah, I think IPL season आ गया है. It's just less than a month actually, almost not less than a month.
maybe
A month
knockouts
to
they
go.
might keep fans because
Let's
there
go.
will be no question of.
हाँ,
Let's
तो-
go
I
for-
think for me, the biggest concern as a fan, and more than a fan, as a head-to-head league player, is going to be the double headers, 11 of them, multiple team changes, coordinating with everyone. So
It will be
but
काफी
yeah,
इंटरेस्टिंग है. हाँ, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है. शेड्यूल काफी सही बनाया है. किसी को होम गेम्स नहीं है एंड
I
मजा
think
आएगा. काफी मजा आएगा. I
आरसीबी
think
को पहले मैचेस करा दो भाई, मतलब हम लोग एक वीक जल्दी, मतलब ऑलरेडी शॉर्टन आईपीएल में हम एक और वीक जल्दी उम्मीद
कोई नहीं
छोड़
दर्शी
देंगे,
इस
तो
बार
we'll move on
जीतेगी.
with life.
इस बार विराट कोहली जीत रहा है.
विराट कोहली जीत रहा है. बहुत मतलब
Hearts
बहुत बड़ी
and
बात
Yeah,
हो
brains
गई.
and lungs.
maybe without fans it will be easier for him. Who knows?
No, he says fans pump him up and he pumps up the fans.
हाँ
and
वहाँ
कुछ
पर
चलता है उसका.
चिन्नास्वामी में बस वही आता है, हारने के लिए देखते हैं. मैं खुद वहाँ पर गया हूँ. आई हैव वॉच्ड मुंबई इंडियंस थ्रैश देम 5 times.
I have watched one game with Piyush Chinnaswamy, and anyone who knows Piyush, or even if you don't know Piyush, you have to experience it. He almost got beaten up by RCB fans. He irritated them so much. So anyway, I think yeah, guys,
He was a very passionate guy.
a very passionate guy for Mumbai Indians and its players. So anyway, guys, I think great fun. This was a shorter podcast because we just wanted to keep it crisp and cover only what happened in the series. तो अभी upcoming cricket में IPL का build-up है. We'll try to cover different concepts, topics. Please let us know in comments कि और क्या cover करें. Like, share, subscribe जहाँ पे भी सुन रहे हो, देख रहे हो आप. And yeah, thank you. किसी को कुछ बोलना है फिर?
नहीं, बस मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में.
Let's get ready to get hurt again.
IPL जिंदाबाद. Let's go for the third.
मेरे तो कोई expectations
The
ही नहीं है.
circus is going to begin very soon.
भाई the moment we brought Maxwell, मैंने बस I'm watching it for AB de Villiers, कुछ एक दो गिने चुने innings के लिए देख रहा हूँ मैं, और कुछ ही ले लेंगे उसको.
चलो, great fun guys, great fun. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
चलो बाय
Thanks,
बाय
everyone.
गाइस. बाय बाय बाय.
Bye.
See you.